people, welcome back to my channel Moyo Cortez. In case you're new here guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, today is yet another day that God has granted unto us guys. Today is on a Sunday, and make sure you go to church, make sure you pray, ask God what you want Him to grant you for this 2023. We're going to February, the month of love. Oh my God, mnataka introduce mtu wangu. Hey, comment hapo chini kama mnataka introduce my guy to you guys. So guys, today we are going for there's a meetup of TikTok people, TikTokers. Itakuwa Karura Forest. So what has actually made me go to the meetup sana, I've never been to the forest before. Sorry, kuna upepo ndo na shout, ndo ni overdo the upepo. So I hope that you guys are going to like the video today. I'm going to take the video for you. I want to see how Karura Forest is. Hiyo ni place imekwanga ikiona na watu, tunajua what I'm excited about. And of course, simple makeup. Yeah. So see you guys. Acha to drop you and then I'm gonna see. Hey guys. So okay, sitaki kushout kwa sababu tuko hapa archives. So this is where we are supposed to meet, and then we go all of us together. So ni venye siwezi kuonyesha watu, mimi sipendi kuchukua watu video without their consent. So tukitoka hapa tunangojea the rest. Tumefika a bit mapema, so tunangojea the rest. I hope mnanisikia juu kuko na kelele. The rest of us, so that we go together. Anyway guys, I'm going to take you through this video. I don't know how long it will be, but make sure you watch and continue subscribing. Road to 13,000 subscribers guys. Tumeka 12,000 sana, so 13,000 subscribers and then twende hivyo. And thank you for my TikTok family, wamenifikisha 40,000. I feel so good, I feel so wow. We still growing, we are coming. So acheni tungoje the rest, and then yeah, we go together to Karura Forest. I'm so excited because I've never been there, so I just want to see the place. What on a ride bike? Shall ride bike? So kama nitaweza ku ride bike, I will ride for you. So yeah, see you. This is archives for you people. So these are some of the people wenye tuko nao hapa. Archives na kwa na watu wengi. Oh my God. Let me tell you guys, mimi napendanga Super Metro. I don't know what Super Metro did to me. Mimi mpaka nakwanga nimewafollow kwa Facebook. I love those buses. Anyway, we here. I'm here. Na drip yangu, my one and only Jordans. Aki mninunulie zingine, nafai kununua viatu zingine. Tashinanga tuna viatu moja, watu wanajua moyo yake kujana za grey. But haina shida. Sini life. Anyway, see ya. Bye. So guys, we finally here. But tumekuja first group. I think we are going to be two groups. Yeah, we're going to be two groups. So we've come the first group to the figure, but we can't go in without the rest. So we have to wait for them here. Because as I told you, we are going as a group. And before even I continue, I want you to meet someone that's kind of special to me. Because in the first meetup, kama mnakumbuka vlog nilifanya ya Anana Small, we were with her and she came and hugged me kwa video. So I want her to come today, kama say kuko cool kumetulia, I say hi as we wait kuingia huko ndani, and then the vlog continues. So let's say hi. Oh.
Hi guys, I'm Sherry. I'm from Muya. I love her. I love my model.
Oh really? Thank you. Okay,
mimi nampenda sana. So thank you so much for the love. Actually, this girl, she's been there for me in tough times. You guys, you don't know. That is, those are things that I don't have to tell you. But anyway, guys, so we're here. Come to us, oh my god. What? For real. Anyway, guys, so to our take through Ukondani, we'll see what they have inside. I don't know the activities that are happening in Karura, but this is the first time for me. First time. It's our first time, so let's see the experience. Let's get to see. Kama kuko na bike mimi nimeride bike kitambo, lakini juzi nimeride niko na naweza. So if there's going to be that one, atakuwa ni first cut. Who cares? Tuta ride bike. So see you for the vlog. I love you. So guys, we've decided because juu inatuchoma pale, we go hivi tukipandanga juu tuende tuingie tuone kama tuta, because we are waiting. So come with me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you.
In the gates of Karura forest, there was once a girl by the name of Cortez who came via that gate, and since then life changed.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
Guys, let me ask. Hii inakuanga like a real forest. Inakuanga hivyo kevo? Are there wild animals? Snakes? Obvious. Do you honor? We have this side in immediately after the entrance. Kuna hii side. So anyway guys, attending to this video square refu nitawachukulia sasa after the rest are here and we go in, okay? So guys, we have a map here whereby wherever you're coming in and you don't know where you're going, this map should guide you. Yeah, so we're here with all the people we're going with, our water. So now we're moving. Yeah, tuende kwenye bikes ziko tukachukue. So guys, these are the people we're going with. So we're supposed to take bikes, but bike you pay 500 extra. We don't have that. Personally, I don't. So situ tutatrek na kevo wangu hapa. Situ tutatembea up to where we go. We going, yeah. So guys, we're moving. Aki mimi hadi sijui, nimeanza kusikia njaa. Kevo usikia njaa?
I'm feeding.
Shida yako.
Anshaanza.
So guys, we've already started the journey and I don't know how long or how far we will be going, but we just started. So I'm gonna take you through the video. Sijui tunafika hadi wapi, I don't know. This is first time, so
Me I know.
where?
Me I know. I don't know.
This one is the director, guys. Courtesy of him, we're here because I guess ni yali plan. Ama? We don't know.
John Hopi, yeah. The out and about nature's walk. It might sound like a 3-day event, but you get a chance to bond with nature, you get a chance to bond with food, and also get a chance to bond with your favorite TikTokers.
Hey,
So kauli miss.
hapo sana.
But season 2.
Sawa guys, so see you. Missy focus. I've lost it. So guys, we are back. Aki tumetembea, but I'm so disappointed.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Yangu especially. I knew we were coming to Karura. She was carrying water.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
Kuna tu size nene. So guys, as we were walking, we came across this place. I don't know, ikona mamiti, as you can see. So people are on that side. Yeah, you can see Kivu pale. So I decided to take some photos here. We decided to do some TikTok videos. I'm going to link them on this side, so you're going to see. So I don't know, tuko bado safari. It's very inachosha, but anyway, we still tembein. Tukitoka huku, I forgot to tell you, we're going to be eating at to Rivers Mall. Tumechanga tukiwa sisi wote, so that's where we're going to be eating. Anyway guys, tuendelee na safari. I think kunachosha, but mna watu wameketi chini, watu wanaenda na bikes wengine. Anyway, let's go. So as you can see guys, watu wakiwa wamechoka, but tuko na a long way to go. We decided today is a day for here, so what to do, we still have to do it. Yeah, but this place is very nice. So guys, we are back. Aki tumetembea, but I'm so disappointed. Kwa kivyangu especially, I knew we were coming to Karura. I should have carried water, I should have carried snacks. Let me tell you, I'm so hungry. Nimekaa kama 4 hours without eating.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn it on, turn it to an ocean. Let it float around.
So guys, as I told you, remember I told you to changa together so that we can go to the adventure together and then come eat. So it's almost 6 right now. It's 6 sharp guys. Nata tuchakula. We are so hungry. Na juu tulikuwa tumechanga mpaka ya food, kuna geta food na fare. So we are now here, we are waiting for the food to come. Wale mnaona huko nyuma, waonyeshe wenye huko nyuma. Our water. So most of us are here. So the ones when you're on a project, ama hii something whatever it is, ndo wameenda kutuolia chakula. So we are here, we are waiting. Let's see what we are going to be served. Bora tuone, aki tuko mbali, tuko Nairobi. But the good thing tulihama tuko karibu. Sasa sheri naenda kwa nani? Lakini si bali sana. Wana watatuliza. Au utakuwa umefika. Sawa guys. And everyone there handles zako wa kukuli. Follow kwa TikTok @imasheri, Instagram imasheri, Facebook imasheri. Tawandikia hapo chini. You make sure you follow her on her social media handles. Okay guys, let's wait for food now.
Unaenda kuoga mkono? Baby boy, kwani umetoka kunini? Unataka kufanya leo? Umetoka kufanya nini?
Ya kwenda choma.
Acha nifunze. Nini ukweli?
So guys, we are going out of Two Rivers Mall. Mimi usiku sijuangi places. I'm not even sure if this side no exit iko. Mimi sijui, but whatever. So it's already at night. We have already split. Watu wameenda kivyao. Tubaki na kevo wetu. Ndio ujue mnakwanga pamoja and then nafanga place uko peke yako. So the good thing I'm with my brother and yeah. Woo. Now we are going home. See the beautiful Two Rivers Mall. Okay guys, let me promise you something. I'm going to look for pesa kidogo nikuje nazo za kukula and then I bring you on a one day with Kevin. Nitakuja na Kevin ndio aweze kuniblogisha poa. We tour around Two Rivers Mall. We get to see how this mall inakaa. I mean, it's the biggest mall in Kenya and I think the second biggest in Africa. I'm not sure, but yeah. So it's a very big mall. So I promise you guys, I'ma take you through this mall. So that will be on a very different vlog. So leo wacha tutafute our way out because mimi usiku sijuanishangi places. We're just walking tulikuwa side nyingine. So we just walking. So I think it's hivi tu. Tunaona hivyo kama tunatoka nje and then we go home. See you guys.
Mapenzi ni raha ukipata mnayefahana, vitenzi ni njia ya kueleza penzi thamana. Ni mengi sana mapito ya kumiza penzi, ni wengi sana wazito wanalia penzi. And I promise forever nitabaki kuwa na wewe. And I promise bila wewe hiyo ni kiwewe. And I promise forever nitabaki kuwa na wewe. And I promise bila wewe hiyo ni kiwewe. Ni mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe together. Ni mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe forever.
Ni mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe together. Ni mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe, mimi na wewe forever. Ni wengi wamekuwa wakiuliza mpenzi wangu ni nani? Nyawera wa Kamodho, mimi wa nani? I wanna tell the world, darling, that you're mine. Sometimes the journey hard, together we are shine. I promise forever nitabaki kuwa na wewe. And I promise bila wewe hiyo ni kiwewe. And I promise forever
nitabaki kuwa na wewe.